There are a few important things to keep in mind before transitioning to a team account. Firstly, the Card Design tab, which you typically found located under your personal profile, will now be relocated to the dedicated Card Design section within the admin area. From this point, you'll have the ability to edit the colors and the cover image of your card. However, any modifications you make here will be applied to all of the cards that you create under your account. Similarly, within the sections for links, video, and social links, you'll be able to add various elements that will be applied to all of the cards and all of the users that you add under your account. Within the Manage Company area, you'll gain the ability to easily edit all of your company's overarching information. You'll also have the option to add multiple different offices or physical locations, and then establish various teams specifically for your account. Once a team is created, all users who are members of that specific team will seamlessly be able to share contacts and notes amongst themselves. Finally, you'll also observe that we have now incorporated a dedicated user card section, enabling you to add additional colleagues to your account. And then, as a final point, you'll notice that key features like integrations, event rules, and various other related items have now been strategically relocated under the dedicated admin section. This ensures that any modifications or adjustments you implement within this area will be universally applied across your entire account, providing a centralized control point. If at any point in time you want to switch back to the individual mode, you can also do it from under the settings panel. It's important to note this key detail. You can only switch back to an individual account if you are currently operating as a solo user. Should you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us by emailing support@carenetworks.com.